As the raindrops fall, I think of all the times we had and how I miss that. As the raindrops fall, I think of all the times we laughed and how I miss that.
And I miss Bama, where'd you go? Still sitting there repping the 420, but you decided to leave the mic alone. But it's okay, cause I'm still in my zone. Damn dog, I wish you put one more down. Let them know that why we taking the crown. Let them know that we coming back hard. Let them know that we'll stomp them up in the yard. I don't give a fuck, nigga, let's get to it. I don't give a fuck, show them niggas we the truest. Yeah, but you decided to retire. It's okay, cause my flow will never expire. I'm coming through and I'm off of the wire. I don't give a fuck, cause these niggas is liars. Yeah, let's give it to them, dog. One more time, here it coming on.
As the raindrops fall, I think of all the times we had and how I miss that. As the raindrops fall, I think of all the times we laughed and how I miss that.
WD, what else can I say? You're my brother, even though you came from another mother. Man, dog, I wish that you'd hit me up. But until then, I'ma keep this thing up. I'ma keep the label started, cause you faded. I don't give a fuck, nigga, we made it. Dog, man, I wish you come back. Till then, I'm still on this track. I don't give a fuck and I'm hoping. Till then, the verse is still open. I don't give a damn, nigga, you started this. I don't give a fuck, I wish you was a part of this. Man, dog, I miss you, what else can I say? Till then, I'm gonna keep it up, I'm the way. I don't care, nigga, I'll do this for us.
As the raindrops fall, I think of all the times we had and how I miss that. As the raindrops fall, I think of all the times we laughed and how I miss that. As the raindrops fall, I think of all the times we had and how I miss that. As the raindrops fall, as the raindrops fall.
Yeah, this goes out to my boys, man. Bama, WD, we're still 420 Records, man. I wish y'all come home, get back on this microphone soon. Hopefully one day we'll fucking tear it up again. Till then, I just want y'all to know we still got your backs, man. Me and Crazy J, Dame Dash, gonna keep this thing going. 420 Records forever.